Ever fancied the idea of launching your own YouTube channel? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, shedding light on the step-by-step process of creating your very own YouTube channel in 2024. First things first, it's all about having a Google account. If you don't own one, creating it is as simple as pie. Go to Google's homepage, click on Create Account, and fill in your details. Once you've got your Google account set up, you're ready to take the next step. Now head over to YouTube. In the top right corner, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on that and enter your Google account details. Voila, you're now signed into YouTube. But wait, we're not finished yet. Next, you need to create your YouTube channel. Spot the user icon in the top right corner. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, click on Create a Channel. YouTube will then ask you how you'd like to name your channel. You can choose to use your own name or create a custom name. Remember, this name will represent your brand, so choose wisely. Once you've chosen your channel name, it's time to personalize your channel. Click on Customize Channel, and here you can add a channel art and a profile picture. These visual elements are crucial as they create the first impression of your channel. So, make sure they are engaging and represent what your channel is about. In the About section, write a compelling channel description. This is your chance to tell your potential subscribers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Be creative, be authentic, and most importantly, be yourself. Now you're all set to upload your first video. Click on the camera icon in the top right corner and select Upload Video. Here, you can select the video file from your device, and while it's uploading, you can fill in the video title, description, and tags. These are crucial for search engine optimization, so make sure to use relevant keywords. And there you have it! You've successfully created your YouTube channel and uploaded your first video. To recap, we've journeyed through the process of creating a Google account, signing into YouTube, creating and customizing your YouTube channel, and finally, uploading your first video. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is consistency, creativity, and authenticity. So keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Congratulations on your new YouTube channel. And here's to the start of an incredible journey in the world of video content. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.